Aditi,
Yes, Mama.
today we will do 3-digit addition. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
We already did 3-digit addition without regrouping. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
So now today we will do 3-digit addition with regrouping. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
Okay. Earlier we did 2-digit addition with regrouping. So now we will do 3-digit addition with regrouping. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
Okay. It's more or less same. Only you have to count the 100 place also. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
In the same way, you have to follow the same process, same way you have to do the addition. Just 100 place also you have to count. Earlier we used to count ones and tens place.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
we have to count the 100 place as well. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
Okay. So first what we have to do, we have to arrange the numbers vertically. Whatever the numbers given, we have to write the numbers vertically. Okay? Suppose the number is given like sum of 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. You have to write the numbers vertically, arrange them and write them in vertical order. Okay? 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6. Did you get it?
Yes, Mama.
Okay. Now I will give you a sum addition. Try to do it.
Thank you,
Okay.
Mama.
Okay. See what's the question given on the board? See the question.
379, 558.
So we are going to add 379 and 558, right?
Yes, Mama.
So see the numbers are arranged in vertically.
Yes, Mama.
In vertical order, the numbers are arranged. So first we have to count the ones place. So what are the ones place number?
9 and 8.
9 and 8. That is 9 ones and 8 ones. So count 9 and 8.
9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
17 ones. Okay, good. 7 ones and 1 10 is the carryover. Very good. Now count the tens place. What are the tens place number?
7 and 5.
7
and
tens.
the carryover is 1.
Very good. 7 tens, 5 ones and the carryover is 1 10. Count.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Count
13.
the carryover. Yes, 13.
13.
So 13. Yes. 13 tens. Yes. So 3 tens and the 1 is in the 100 place. What are the numbers given in the 100 place?
3 and 5. And the carryover is 1.
So in the 100 place, 300 plus 500 and the carryover is 100. Right?
Yes,
Now count the numbers.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Very good. So it's 900. So what is the answer?
937.
The answer is 937. Isn't it easy?
Yes, Mama. It's very easy.
Yes, and I hope it's the same way what you did in 2-digit addition with regrouping, right?
Yes, Mama.
Okay. Show me what you did. Yes, very good. The answer is 937. Very good. I have given you some questions on the board. Okay?
Yes, Mama.
Do it one by one. Count loudly so that I can hear you. See the first one.
391 and 876.
Very good. So what's number given in the ones place?
1 and 6.
Count 1 and 6.
6, 7.
Do we have carryover?
No, Mama.
We don't have carryover over here. So we got the answer 7 ones. Can you tell me what are the numbers given in the tens place?
9 and 7.
Yes, so 9 tens and 7 tens. So add them.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 6.
16. So 16 tens. So 6 you have written under the tens place, right? And the 1
Under
is
the...
the carryover in 100 place, right?
Yes, Mama.
Okay. Now count the 100 place. What are the numbers given in the 100 place?
3 and 8.
3 and 8.
And the carryover is 1.
Very good. So 300 and 800. And the carryover is 1. Count.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Very good. So what is the answer?
1267.
Very good. Move to the next question. What are the numbers given? Tell. Read the question.
197 plus 159.
So what are the numbers given in the ones place?
7 and 9.
7 and 9. So add 7 and 9.
9.
Add the ones column, right?
Yes, Mama.
Okay, 7 and 9 is what? 7 ones plus 9 ones?
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Very good. So 16 ones. Yes. So 110 and 6 ones. Write 6 in the ones column and carry over 1 to the tens column, right?
Yes, Mama.
Very good. So what's given in the tens place?
9 and 5. And the carryover is 1.
Count.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
So 15 tens.
15 tens.
Yes. So write 5 in tens column and the carryover 1 to the hundreds column. Very good. Now count the hundreds place. What are the numbers given?
1 and 1. And the carryover is 1.
Okay. So count.
1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 1 is equal to 3.
So what is the answer?
356.
356. Very good. Move to the last one. You do on your own this. Try to do it.
982 plus 439.
Okay, you explain and you do. First, what you're going to do?
The number given in the ones place are 2 ones and 9 ones. 9, 10, 11.
So we are going to add, right? 11 ones. Very good. So you did carry over 1 to the tens column. Very good. Then explain.
The numbers given in the tens place are 8 ones, 8 tens and 3 tens. And the carryover is 1.
Okay.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1,
12 tens.
12 tens.
2 in the tens place and the 1 is the carryover to the hundreds column. Right?
Yes, Mama.
Okay. Now what we are going to do?
The numbers given in the 100 place are 900 and 400.
Very good.
And the carryover is 1.
1. 100. Yes.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 4.
So what is the answer?
1421.
Very good. So today we learned 3-digit addition with regrouping. Right?
Yes, Mama. Thanks for watching the video.